guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I just want to give you a quick look at two blank books. I have two 8x8 albums. One is 4 signatures and one is 6 signatures. So I wanted to share with you the differences or how each one of these looks. I do have these books available on my website if you want to purchase the blank book and just simply decorate your book. And I also have tutorials for both of these books. The tutorial for the 4x4 is actually made on a red base, but it's exactly the same. And for the 6 signature one, I do a walkthrough here in case you want to see the final product from the tutorial. If you want to make one of your own, or if you want to order one from my website, I will have everything linked below. So let's look at the 4 signature one. The 4 signatures I usually use for any occasion, 8x8. I use it for baby books when they're not a month-to-month. If you want a month-to-month baby book, I suggest getting the 6 signature pages so you can dedicate 1 page to each month, because you do have 14 layouts there, including the inside covers. But let's take a look at this one. So the difference between the two, the sizes are the same on the outside, but the spine for the 4 signatures is 3 inches, and for the 6 signatures is 3.5 inches. So when we open this book, these are very simple layouts. You can always build more onto your pages if you want to, but these are very easy to create, very easy to decorate, and add your own personal touches as well. So on the first page we have a gatefold page here. For page number 2 we have an opening flap, so you will add a magnet over here, and this is a perfect area here if you wanted to add a pop-up feature. You can do that on that page. And then we have a sliding page. So I always like to incorporate a interactive feature, even though if it's a more simple book, I think it's always really fun to add those. Then over here, this opens to the side, and then we have an accordion fold page. Then the next page opens up and opens down, so this is a full page here, so you have quite a lot of room for adding extra pictures. These next two are my twin pages. I always like to create these kind of like mirror image pages here, and again a lot of room for pictures. We are using the easy hinge system, and these pages all open really flat, as you can see. And then this back page here, I added a pocket. I always like to incorporate a pocket in case you want to add extra pictures, memorabilia, maps, tickets, anything that you want to add on your books. And then magnets are not included on the blank book, but you will add a magnet here to keep that pocket closed. So this is the 4 signature one. And so now let's take a look at the 6 signature one. So like I mentioned, the spine is a little bit wider. We do have more pages here. This opens and opens to the side. Then the next page here, this opens up, and then we also have a belly band, so you can add photo mats on the back of this page. Then we have another sliding feature. This opens up and then slides to the side, and then these both open when you slide the pages. So really fun, again, interactive layout even on a more simple book. And these books are really cute for baby books. Again, you'll add your monthly bubbles. I think they're just really cute to decorate. And this opens up, and we have kind of like another 3D page here, so you will put a photo mat over on this flap. Now you can also use the pocket and add more photo mats in there. This next page just opens and opens, so you can put 4x6 pictures on these layouts. And this next page opens up, and then we have a pocket on the inside. Next page is an open pocket, so you take this out, and then you see here we have 2 corner pockets, and then the center is open, so I call this my open pocket, so you can see the picture on the photo mat on the inside. And then this opens to the side, and it is another pop-up page here, so you can add your photos on the sides here, but I always like adding dimension to the pages. And then this is the next page, just opens to each side, and then this opens up, and then we have a cute little pop-up or a fun pop-up here as well. And the last page is just another opening page here. So really fun pages, interactive, ready for you to decorate or create if you are looking for a particular option for pages. I will have both of these tutorials. These are free tutorials in my channel. I'm gonna have them below so you can check it out and create one for yourself. And again, I also have these already made available for you to simply decorate your books. But I hope that this video was useful to kind of help you see the final completed walkthroughs without having to watch the whole tutorial for the video. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for all your support, and thank you to everyone who has been placing an order for these blank books. Like I said, I'm gonna start making a new batch of white books because I've been getting a lot of those requested. So thank you so much, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.